Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make a popular Japanese dumpling known as gyoza. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need to prepare your gyoza. Place a damp towel or anti-slip mat underneath the chopping board to keep it stable while cutting. As shown in the video, make sure you're holding your knife correctly for better control and safety. Now, we need to finely chop the cabbage into small pieces. Remember to keep your fingers curled in to keep them safe while cutting. When the base of the cabbage becomes too small and unstable, lay it flat on the board to create a stable surface before continuing to cut. Continue chopping the cabbage until you achieve smaller, even pieces. For the cooked prawns, start by removing all the shells. Then cut the prawns into smaller pieces, but not too small, as we still want some texture in the filling. At this stage, add all your prepared sauces along with the minced ginger and garlic. Mix everything together thoroughly until well combined. Now, I'll be showing you how to pleat a gyoza. Before you start pleating, make sure you have everything in front of you: some water, your filling, and the gyoza wrappers. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of the wrapper. Wet the edges with a bit of water. This will act as a glue to seal your dumpling. Fold the wrapper in half to enclose the filling, but don't press it shut yet. When pleating, only fold the top layer of the wrapper, leave the bottom layer flat. Start pleating from the center, making 3 to 4 pleats towards the right, and do the same on the left side. Finally, pinch along the edges to secure the pleats and seal the dumpling firmly. If you're using a one-time wrapper instead, fold it into half to form a rectangle. Seal the wrapper by pressing the edges together firmly, making sure all the filling stays in the center. Starting from the center, gently gather the excess wrapper to create neat pleats along the top. Repeat the same process on the other side to form a well-shaped dumpling. Now, we're ready to cook the gyozas. Before turning on the stove, make sure you have everything prepared. You will need a non-stick pan with a lid and about half a cup of water for steaming the dumplings. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to the pan and let it heat up. Once the pan is hot, carefully arrange the dumplings, making sure they're placed neatly and not touching each other. Cook the gyoza until the base turns golden brown, as shown in the video. Carefully pour in the half cup of water and immediately cover the pan with a lid. Let the dumpling steam until most of the water has evaporated. When removing the lid, always open it away from you to avoid getting burned by the steam. Let the gyozas cook for a few more minutes to crisp up the base. And you're done! Serve the gyoza with some dumpling sauce or soy sauce on the side. Enjoy and have fun cooking!